Hello and welcome everyone in this another part of the tutorial Microsoft Word for beginners. In the previous part of this tutorial I have explained about the file menu, home menu as well as some of the groups that is under the insert menu, and in today's video I'm going to explain about the illustrations group that is under the insert tab. So you can see there are multiple groups under the insert tab like pages, tables, illustrations, media links and so on, and in the previous part I have covered pages and tables, and in today's video I will talk about the illustrations group, and under illustrations pictures, shapes, icons and 3D models will be discussed. So let me show you how you can insert the pictures as well as shapes, icons and 3D models. So let me start the video. So to insert the picture, first of all let me write some random text so that our document looks more beautiful and professional. Now this is our document and I just want to insert a picture here. You can insert the picture in any part of your document. So to insert the picture, just go to the picture section under the insert tab. So click on the pictures and here are three options: this device, stock images and online pictures. You can choose any of these and I will show you how can insert pictures by these three methods one by one. So let's start with this device. This device means you can insert the picture from your own computer that should be already downloaded or saved in your PC. So I have my pictures in the desktop and I will choose desktop and from camera. So here are multiple images and I will choose this one and I'll just click on insert. Now you can see the image has been already inserted to this document. Now this is the way of inserting an image from your own computer. Now after inserting image, you can see there are the picture format options like adjust, picture styles and arrangement as well as the size. You can do some necessary editing in your images. However, editing is not the part of this video. I will show you some of the ways you can do a little bit editing without using any extra software. So you can resize your image with the help of these points that is on the corner and every portion of the images. Then after, you can remove the background or you can adjust the corrections, you can adjust the brightness. I'll show you the example. So you can choose to sharpen or soften your image colors, or you can choose to increase or decrease the brightness of your image. You can see the changes has been applied to this image. Now you can choose the color or you can select the transparency of your image from these options according to your need and requirement, or you can choose the picture styles like this. So you can see the image has been a little bit changed, it has obtained some another frame. Now you can choose the picture border according to your desire. You can choose the picture border color. Then after picture effects, you can choose any of the effects like 3D rotations. You can choose any type of changes you can keep in your picture. Similarly, you can select the position, either you can keep in the center of your text or at the left corner or at the right corner. So I will choose this position, and you can do text wrapping as well, like you can choose through options or top or bottom, behind the text or in front of the text, anyone you can choose. So through will be better. And you can change the size of your images as well from this size section. You can either increase the size or you can decrease the size of your image. So after inserting image, these are the some of the necessary changes you can do to your image to make it more beautiful and attractive. Now let's see another way of inserting an image in your document. So just go to the insert option and click on pictures. Now you can choose the stock images as well. If you don't have any image to insert from your computer, you can choose the stock images option. So just click on the stock images and you will get some of the online images to insert in your document. So you can see here are a lot of images that you can choose to insert in your document. These are the stock images, so according to your desire, according to your requirement, you can insert any of the images. I will choose this one, and after just selecting, you can just click on insert. You can search your images as well according to your requirement. Now you can see another image has been inserted from the stock images, and all the changes that has been applied in the previous image you can do same with this one. So this is the image from the stock images sections. Now I just want to keep behind the text, so you can change the position, you can change the location of your image. You can keep in front of the text or behind the text or anywhere in your document. You can select the frames after inserting. So any of the changes you want, you can do in your images. Now let's see another method of inserting an image in your document. So again, just go to the pictures and just select the online pictures. So this option allows us to insert an image from the internet, from the browsers, by searching them. So you can search any of the images to insert. For example, I want to insert the image of computer, so I will type here computer and I'll just press enter. Now you can see the pictures of computer has arrived, and you can choose any of the picture to insert in your document. I will choose this one and just click on insert option. Now you can see the picture of computer has been inserted in our document, and I will just make it a little bit smaller and I will drag it down and place to some other locations. You can do that by going to position section and you can choose the bottom one, and you can see your images will be at the bottom of the document. Now I just want to move it a little bit up, so I will do text wrapping and I will just go to through and I will just drag this image to bring it more closer to other part of this document. Now you can see these are the three images that has been inserted with the three methods of inserting an image in our document. So to insert any image, any type of picture in your document, just you need to go to the insert and you have to click on the pictures section, and you can insert from your device or from stock images, or you can choose the online images to insert in your document. I hope you have understood how you can insert an image in your document. Now let's see the method of inserting shapes in our document. So to insert shape, just we need to click on the shapes option, and you can see here there are a lot of options of inserting shapes. Here are some frequently used shapes. So I'll choose one rectangle and I will insert a shape in this free space. Now after inserting, again you will get the options of shape format, and you can format your shape according to your need, according to your desire. You can choose this shape style and you can choose the shape fill to some another color, or you can keep your next another shape outline, and you can have shape effects also. You can have shadows or reflections or any rotations like this. Similarly, you can have some word art styles in your shape. You can just click and you can add some of the text in your shape, or you can choose the position of your text, and all the settings, all the changes that have been done in the images you can do to your shapes too. You can increase the size or decrease the size from these options. Similarly, you can do some other changes to your shapes. You can insert any type of the shapes from this shapes option. Let me show you one more example. Just go to the shapes and choose. There are different sections like lines. You can insert lines or rectangles, basic shapes. You can insert block arrows or equations like plus minus, as well as if you want to create flowchart, then also you have a lot of shapes. Then after you have stars and banners, you can choose any of these shapes that you want to insert. You have callouts as well, so I'll choose this one, and again I will insert here, and you can see the callout shape has been inserted, and you can just add. You can do some of the changes. You can change the color, or you can change the shape effects. You can choose the reflections or glow. Any of the changes you can do to your shape. So I will choose this time the glow one, and this time our call out shape will glow like this. In your shape you can just insert some of the text also like this. Another options in the illustration section is the icon. That with this option you can insert an icon in your document. Just go to the icons option and click over there, and you can just get the icons from the stock images. You can search your icon if you cannot find here, or if your icon is here you can just click over there. So I want to insert the icon of a book, so I will search and I get the icon here, and I will just click on this image or the icon and click on insert. Now you can see the icon of the book has been inserted, and in the icon also you can do all the editings that has been done to our images. Like you can choose the graphics style, I mean to say you can choose the color, or you can fill the graphics color. You can fill colors to your icon, or you can change the color like this. It looks great. Now you can do some other changes, like you can increase the size or you can decrease the size, and some of the other changes according to your need and requirement you can do with these options. So you can arrange them, you can change the size and do some other settings to your icon. But the main important thing is that you should know how you can insert an icon to your document. Just you need to go to the insert and choose the icon sections. Now let's see how can we insert the 3D models. So for inserting the 3D models, just click on 3D models, and again you can access 3D images or 3D icons to insert in your document. So here are some of the 3D models, 3D images. You can choose avatars, you can choose dinosaurs, animals, space, biology, anyone you can choose. So I will choose biology, and I will like to insert the shape of heart, and just I will select and click on insert. Now you can see the 3D model of the heart shape has been inserted to our document. So this is the way you can insert 3D shapes or 3D models, and you can do some of the necessary changes like the view of 3D model. You can choose the shapes. So this is very interesting feature of Microsoft Word that allows us to insert 3D models or 3D images to make our documents look more beautiful, more attractive and understandable. So this is all about the today's video. We have seen how we can insert pictures, shapes, icons and 3D models in our document to make our document more meaningful and attractive as well as understandable. Now in the next part of this tutorial, I will show how you can insert smart arts charts screenshots that are under the illustrations group. So see you in the next video. Subscribe this channel for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.